Hello everybody, so today I'm just gonna show you how to change the IP address. So for this you just need to install the first Tor. So today we are going to install this. So first of all, our requirement is to install the Tor and pip. After doing that, so let's copy the link, right? Where is this copy the link, right? And we can just go back right here. So let's do, so we are installing the Tor first. So okay, let's do enter. Now my Tor has been installed. So let's go back and do git clone. So if you just do enter, so I have already installed it. So we can do auto Tor IP changer. So if we do ls -la, so if we see the permission, so we need the install that py. So in order to run this, right, so we have to run this file. So for this to run, so we can do python install install.py. So we can do capital Y for that. So it has been showing the permission error, so we can do sudo for that. So we can do capital Y. So now I have, in order to make the installation, we can do aut. So let's wait for it to load. So it's telling me to write a password. So let me just write it. So now I have done it. So next thing is to just wait for it, authenticate. Let's wait for it. So now what we have to do next is to go on the browser setting, right? So let me just go over here and let's be, so over here and let's go over setting, right? And what we need to do is to change the SOC. So for this we go on the setting, and after that we have to use the manual proxy configuration, and here we have to use the local, so this address, right? So it has been redirected. Change your SOC to 17. Let me just do 127.0.1. so this is our local host, and our port is going to be 9050 for that. Then let's do okay for this. Now what we can do is next is to type. So if we just do 5 times, right? Okay, 6 is okay. Then let's do that. And so now so how many times do you want to change your IP? So let's do 0. So let's wait for it to change the password, and it's telling me to type the password. So let's do this. Then it should change the password. So I don't know what. So let's wait for it. It's loading in the auto. So authenticate. So my password was wrong over there. So let's do enter. Now if we go on the browser, right? So let's wait for it. Let's do this. Then we can do D and F lib. So my service has been running, so let's wait for it. DNS DNS. Okay, it's telling me to, so let's wait for it. So DNS leak dot DNS leak. So let's wait for it to load. So now so okay, accept. So if we just test our DNS, right? So let's be here and let's wait for it. So if we just Kali. So now it has changed the IP address. So if you are using for the normal use, right, so this is like a mid-tier security. So if you were to use this, so it would be useful for the normal web browsing stuff, right? So if you do all the stuff, then it's not anonymous that much, because most of the bot also use the same IP address, so be careful with that. So thank you guys.